In this video, I am going to show you how to use Google Messages. Google Messages is used for send, read text or voice messages in Google Message. You can send and receive text messages with friends and contact on Google Messages. Important, some of these tabs only work on Android 6.0 and up. To start a conversation, open Google Messages, then tap Compose. Into enter the names, phone number or email address that you would like to message. You can also pick from your top contacts or your whole contact list. For send a message, tap the message box, enter your message. If you would like to save it as a draft and go back, tap back. When you are done, tap send. For send a voice message, tap the message box, tap the microphone, record your voice message. The voice message is automatically saved as a draft so you can listen to it before you send it. The voice message is not sent until you tap send. Then tap send. For read voice messages transcript. Important, if you turn on live captions, transcription is available on web. When you receive a voice message, you can choose to listen to it or read a transcript of the voice message if live caption are turned off. For that, open Google Messages. Then open the chat where you receive the voice message. Then at the top of the voice message recordings, tap view transcript. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.